Here's some sporting fraternity trivia. Subscribe. What is the highest score possible in a standard game of 10-pin bowling? Is it A, 250, B, 300, C, 280, or D, 350? The correct answer is B, 300. Which athlete is known as the fastest man alive? Is it A, Carl Lewis, B, Mo Farah, C, Usain Bolt, or D, Tyson Gay? The correct answer is C, Usain Bolt. What is the most watched sporting event worldwide? Is it A, Super Bowl, B, NBA Finals, C, Wimbledon Final, or D, Champions League Final? The correct answer is A, Super Bowl. What is the traditional distance of a marathon? Is it A, 20 miles, B, 26.2 miles, C, 32 miles, or D, 24 miles? The correct answer is B, 26.2 miles. What sport is played on a diamond? Is it A, tennis, B, football, C, golf, or D, baseball? The correct answer is D, baseball. What type of animal is often involved in polo? Is it A, elephant, B, kangaroo, C, dog, or D, horse? The correct answer is D, horse. What is the basic unit of a game in tennis called? Is it A, service, B, point, C, rally, or D, game? The correct answer is dame. What sport is known as the sweet science? Is it A, boxing, B, tennis, C, wrestling, or D, basketball? The correct answer is A, boxing. Which football club has the nickname the Red Devils? Is it A, Liverpool, B, Arsenal, C, Chelsea, or D, Manchester United? The correct answer is D, Manchester United. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.